I miss a party shot like one M16. What's up, my beautiful people? Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today on the menu, I'm gonna cook some curry beef. It's a rainy day outside today in Florida, and I feel like I want to eat some curry beef with some white rice. So I'm going on the road to get some beef. I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go buy a piece of beef. Yeah man, someday I'm a shopping center and I buy me meat, you know. That is my favorite place to shop because you can see all the fruits are all fresh and you know you can just take up whatever you want. To the store to get one thing, and it's time to cook some food. All right, so we are back. Go on the road, get all the ingredients, gather everything together, get more than what I'm supposed to buy. But now I'm gonna introduce you to the ingredients I have to make this curry beef today. I am gonna also make some green seasoning. Yes, some blend up green seasoning. Yeah, coming up in a short minute. Just stick with us, man. Kenny Good Vibes TV, and we're there. Curry beef on the menu today.
It name take me cook me Sunday dish. Me call it rice and peas, and scabious fish.
For the green seasoning, we have some thyme. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have hot pepper, which is optional. We have onion and scallion. And in the green seasoning, we're also gonna add some complete dried seasoning. I'm gonna add some all-purpose. So here I have some sirloin well cut up, and I'm about to wash that with some vinegar. 1.5 pounds of sirloin. When the pot is in the middle of the cooking, I'm gonna put some Irish, some sweet pepper, and some carrot to give it that extra taste. And then the master of the pot, as always, the curry powder, because we're cooking curry beef, right? All right, and here we have salt and pepper. My curry beef is gonna go with a cup of white rice. Of course, you're gonna go in with your vinegar. Yeah. Make sure you wash that off, get off all that rawness. Wash that about 3 times. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna go through, cut these a little bit smaller to my liking. Think I want them as small as that. I don't want absolutely no fat. I don't want in there. All I want is meat. That size look good. This can cut in 2. That look good. Now this is looking wonderful, guys. I'm gonna rest this aside and move on to making my green seasoning. All I'm doing is just getting everything prepared. Wash and clean, of course. You don't want to put nothing dirty in your pot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my onion first. All you're gonna do is just cut them up in big chunks. The blender will take care of the rest of it. That is looking wonderful. For the pepper, you don't want it to be too hot. That's unbearable, so you're gonna use just a piece of the pepper. Remember, the more you avoid the seed, the less pepper will be in your food. But that is it, guys. So, without no hesitation, I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in. Easy and simple. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and cock that. What I will do here now, this halfway blend, I am gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose dry seasoning there. Then the complete seasoning, I'm gonna go ahead and also add a little of that. Yeah, like about a teaspoon should be good. Cock him up back. This is it. This is the green seasoning, guys. Well blend up, ready to go in my meat. Let's see what it look like. Wow, look at that. Could never been better. And now my curry, I'm gonna go in and pour some of my curry powder, and then the rest I'm gonna put in the pot. Now you're not gonna put all the curry inside the beef. You're gonna leave some to put in the aisle. When you're using curry, you burn the curry, prevent it from running your belly. So here we go. I have my gloves on. I'm gonna go in and start mixing. Just look at that. Just look at that. You see that green seeds making it look green? But don't worry, that's just the beginning. I'm gonna also add a little bit more all-purpose seasoning and keep mixing. All right. Guys, this is smelling so delicious. So now that this is seasoned up, I'm gonna start prepare the pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use up the rest of curry. You wanna make sure you turn down your stove on mid-heat, don't have it too high. The way how I do this, I make sure the curry get a nice burn before I put any of the meat in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding my meat like this. So you see all that leftover seasoning, I'm gonna wash this pan out and rest it aside to add this to my pot later on. Now from here, all I do is cover my pot and let it spring some water. I'm telling you guys, the aroma coming out of this pot just make me want to look in there. This is what I'm talking about. Easy and simple, look at that. It starts to create its own color, its own looks. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I'm gonna just leave it to let it cook by itself and develop some body before I add the rest of water. At this moment, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sea salt and pepper. Some of the pepper, not too much. Gonna give it a stir. Meanwhile, as I said guys, the pot should be on medium. Give that some time so it can simmer down. Preparing these carrot and Irish potato and sweet pepper so you can have something else in there other than just the beef. Alright, so these are what's gonna go in there way down in the last half. Remember to always check. Alright. So after a couple minutes and that is looking like that, we're gonna go ahead and add the water. Now this was all that leftover seasoning and I add like about a cup of water to it. Yeah. And now, just leave it to the fire to do the work. But so far, looking wonderful. You can see that curry is really yellow. Now it's time to take off the pot cover and see how it's going on after about 15 minutes. Whoa! Look how beautiful that is looking. As soon as it's halfway done, this is the time I go ahead and add my Irish potato, carrot and sweet pepper so they can all cook together. Tasting real good, tasting on point. All we're gonna do is cover that, give it time to simmer. Let's see what's going on here. So now that I know that it's almost cooked, I'm gonna turn my stove down real low and let that simmer so I can have some gravy to eat with my rice, or some people call it sauce. But you don't know, in Jamaica we call everything different, so we call that the gravy. Yes sir. Simmering. This is just simmering. And I mean, the Irish potato start to mash out. That nice gravy is there. I tell you, the beef is getting real tender. So let's test it out and see. I'm gonna use a fork to test the beef. See that? See how tender that is? Now you see that is ready. That is it, guys. That is definitely my curry beef. Yes, my beautiful people, as you can see, we have come to the end. This is a wonderful video. The house is smelling like wow. Now it's time to eat some food. Let's make it happen, Captain. Alright, my beautiful people, welcome back to my favorite part of the video, the end of the video, where I get to eat the food. Yeah. So right now, first thing I'm gonna test out is this beef. I'm so anxious to test this, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip right into the beef. Wow. Yeah, that green season really do a good job. Wow. This is my first time doing some curry beef. And let me tell you guys, this is wonderful. This is awesome. Tasty. Real flavorable, you know? Got a lot of flavor in there. Just perfect. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos. When you subscribe, it motivates me to make more videos. Thank you for joining Kenny Good Vibes TV. Catch you later.